Attention business owners, you do not want to miss this federal filing deadline. If you own an LLC or a corporation anywhere in the United States, you must register it with FinCEN, which is short for the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, as part of the Corporate Transparency Act before the end of 2024. So we just have a few months left. You need to file no later than December 31st, 2024. The penalty for not filing is $500 per day. So make sure you do this. We're going to tell you how in this short video. Before we do, though, we have a disclaimer that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal or tax advice. For further questions, please reach out to your CPA or tax preparer. All right, let's get to it. You must file if, number one, your company meets the definition of a reporting company. So this would be an LLC, a corporation, and any company created by filing a document with the Secretary of State for your state is a reporting company. And you must file number two if you do not qualify for an exemption. There are 23 entity types that qualify for an exemption. Some common ones are an inactive entity. There are some rules that apply to this. Public accounting firms, investment advisors that are registered with the SEC, large operating companies with $5 million plus in revenue, insurance companies, tax-exempt corporations, and banks. LLCs or corporations that registered to do business before January 1st, 2024 will have until January 1st, 2025 to file their initial report. That means that you need to have this report done and submitted by January 1st, which really means December 31st. So be sure to get that in before the end of the year. If you registered on or after January 1st, 2024, you have 90 days to file your initial BOI report, and BOI means beneficial ownership information. You must also update the BOI report if anything changes with your business, so your address, the ownership information, etc., etc. So how do you file? First, you want to go to the FinCEN BOI website and click Prepare and Submit BOIR online. They do give you two options, one for submitting online and one for actually filing a paper report. We're going to put the link for you below in the video description or the email description. We are sending this out a couple of different ways for you. So go ahead and click on that link, and then you want to click Prepare and Submit BOIR online. Make sure you're checking the online option. Now, step number one, you want to click Initial Report if you have not submitted a report yet. There you'll see filing information, and you want to click on Initial Report. Step number two, in the reporting company section, you need to enter the company's legal name, and then box 3 and 4 are optional. In boxes 11 through 5, you're going to enter your physical business location. If you are a small business that does not have a brick and mortar location, you can put your home address. That's usually what small businesses do without a brick and mortar location. That is fine, or whatever address you have listed on your Secretary of State address for your business. Step number 3, if your company existed prior to January 1st, 2024, select Existing Reporting Company on the next step. If you just created an entity, you will need to fill out this section. And step number 4, this last section is for listing the beneficial owner or owners. A beneficial owner is defined as directly or indirectly exercising substantial control over a company or owns or controls at least 25% of the entity. If you are just a single owner, then you are the beneficial owner, so you need to list that information out. And we highly recommend reading the BOI Small Entity Compliance Guide. It's a 57-page document that explains everything in detail, so we're going to go ahead and put the link for that as well in the description. This is a document, a guide that is provided by the Department of Treasury for you, so be sure to review that and go through that, read that, make sure you understand everything. And as always, Integrity Land Title is here for you for any title insurance and real estate related needs that you have. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email. We are here for you, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.